Hello guys! Welcome to a HeadX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you what we need to do before the QP532 takes off. When we complete the QP532 assembly, we have 4 steps operations to do. Connecting space UAV software. Perform pre-flight check. Landing route planning. And home point planning. It is important to complete these things before each flight for safe operations. First, power on the drone. Connect the data link to laptop through USB cable. Run the Space UAV software. Click Search Drone button. Enter the main interface, waiting for the GPS in good status. Before plan the landing route, please check the wind direction. It's better to point the nose into the wind. Click Land Route Panel button. Use static beacon to land. There are 2 points on landing route. One is hovering point and the other is landing point. Stay land radius is 200 to 250 meters. Stay land height is hovering point height. Normally we use 50 to 70 meters. Trans height is the landing point height. Normally we use 30 to 50 meters. Speed normally we use hovering speed 21 or 22 meters per second. Click this button to use drone's position as the landing position. And use the drone's yaw, because we point the nose into the wind. And you can change the landing route direction if needed. Or input the direction value. Upload. Then come to Home Point Edit panel. Home point is a hovering point for waiting mission command. Generally we set it in a visible and safety position. You can click on the map to select the home point. Or use the position of drone as home point. Height, normally we use relative 100 to 150 meters. Speed is flight speed in hovering mode. Normally we use the cruising speed 22 meters per second. Radius, 160 meters is enough. But it depends on actual situation. Upload to flight controller. Next, we will perform the pre-flight check. Verify again the connection of all parts. Check propellers for cracks or physical damages. And they are installed correctly. In Flight Check panel. Sensors check. Make sure we have a good satellites. Check the compass status. Make sure airspeed sensor is covered. Then calibrate airspeed sensor. Click this button to check the rotor and control surfaces. Keep away from the drone. Click Automatic Check button. Then check the speed and direction of rotation. And verify all control surfaces directions response. Make sure batteries are charged and your computer is charged. Hopefully we are in a nice open place. Clear of any overhead obstructions, trees, power lines. Another thing we have to check is flight parameters settings. Automatic switch height 30 meters. Switch climbing height 60 meters. It means the drone will lift to 30 meters. Then pushing motor starts to work. The height up to 60, it will fly to home point. Then check the protection parameters. Voyage protection is disabled by default. You can use home or landing protection if needed. Data link lost protection. Normally we use 30 seconds. When we lost telemetry up to 30 seconds, it will fly to home point or landing. Now get ready for takeoff. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.